I'm trying to show you how to load the sample. So we have sample holders in this container, the packages. So you can see we have this flat, stuff, big and small. If you just view the top view sample, you can use these types. Yeah, we also have even bigger ones, and we have some pre-tiered holder like this one. This side is 45 degree. Yeah, the other side is 90 degree. Also have a small one. It's 45 degree and 90 degree. Yeah. So we have another holder, which is a 92 of this type, a 90 degree. So don't take this holder out of this lab, please. Yeah, we have for the sample mounting, we have carbon tape here. You can use carbon tape to mount your sample to this type of surface. I'm going to show you. For example, I would like to mount one sample to this one. I cut a small piece of carbon tape. I stick the tape on the holder and then peel off the taper side. And you can mount a piece of sample on it. Okay. We also have sometimes you don't want to use a carbon tape. We have a clip here. For example, this one, you can see there are two clips. So to mount that, what you can do is just put the wafer or put sample here. A lot of times it's wafer, you don't want contamination. So you can secure the sample using the clip. It's suggested to be used both sides. If the clip too tight, you can lose it a little bit. So easy for you to rotate. And you don't want to scratch the sample surface if that's the surface is what you're interested. Then you tighten it. So this is how to mount this sample. And for cross section, I normally suggest use if you have to use a tape. This is not right. To put the tape on this side, it's not right. Also, after use, I don't know who keep it here. After use, please clean up. Please remove the tape. So, yeah, I suggest user to put the tape, especially for some sample is very important. You put the tape along the bridge, okay? Then remove the paper side. This is for cross section. This is a cross section holder. This was cross section. For example, this is a piece of wafer. We want to see the top surface, this surface, not the pan surface, the cross section. So you put this surface facing up, facing the beam. It depends whether you want to contaminate your sample. If you use a tape, you will contaminate. So if your sample sperm you want to use again, you keep the sperm outside. Okay. If you don't want to use a film again, it can be destroyed. You just use to put it up the sperm side, this side, maybe advantage there for charging issue. So I'm going to keep it here. And another issue thing we need to pay attention is when you mount the sample, it's suggested that the place of your interest is a little bit higher than this bridge. I don't know how clear you can see. Zooming a little bit so you can see better now. So here is a bridge. So now if you look at the sample I'm mounting, yeah, I'm mounting a little bit higher. Normally 1 millimeter higher will be good. So this is how we mount the sample. We can leave it here. This is a ceramic piece. I don't want you to carry it if it's not very necessary. So just leave it on the table. It's easy to break. Okay. So after you mount the sample, we just leave everything here. We're going to do next step to load the sample to the machine to on the stage. So another thing I would like to emphasize here, you see now I have 3 different samples here, different holders. You can load all these holders in, but you need to be careful. I suggest users only load the same height sample if in one loading. So we can load these 2, then we can load this one in another time because this is obviously much taller than other 2 samples. So, okay, let's move to next step.